Alright boys, it's a snowy day. Whew. Let's go and find some snow up in the mountains today. Let's go. Alright Mitch, look at her smoke. She's warming up still. All the ice coming off. Alright, let's hop in the good old rig. Straps are double checked. Everything's good to go. Let's head out today, guys. Should we just go play paintball instead? Don't worry about the brick.
What if your dad can get up?
All right.
Bootleg entrance.
Bootleg entrance is right. Okay, we're gonna park her right here. Oh fuck! Not working. Put the park brake on. Fucking. Okay, she seems like she's not going anywhere. Yep. All right, let's go see what we got out here today. Oh my god. No, Mitchie. How excited are you? You rolling?
Yeah,
How excited are you for all this snow today?
I'm pretty excited.
This is the start. Like, we're not even 1K in. This is gonna be a fun time.
Oh, everybody's following us now. They're all parking behind.
Look at this, I kicked up all the snow.
Oh fuck.
Alright guys, let's get unloaded. Let's get going. Woo. Good, baby Mitch, it's a little wet today. It's more wet than snow. So we got
Water never hurt nobody.
we got the shopping cart all good to go. Ready? Mitch, you ready?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna hand you guys off to Mitch. Pop it in the cart. Yeah, here, I'll take that from you. If you wanna show everyone here what you gotta typically do here when you get wet. Yeah, there you go. Stomp it out there, man. Stomp her out.
Oh, very beautiful. It's absolutely, oh, that's in the shot. This camera's absolutely disgusting. There's Mitch. Nick. Oh God. Here we go.
Why did we ever think of this?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Funner than hell, but
Here,
yeah,
give
we
you
seem
this.
to be getting stuck a lot.
What do you yeah? Alright, fucking Nick, they're putting it in the roll. Oh.
Don't forget, people, to like and subscribe so we can buy ourselves some new equipment and make better videos.
Yeah.
Because we're going to break stuff today. Yep, just had to do a quick little hop out for that. Okay, good to go. You got 6% left.
What?
6%.
You gotta go faster.
No, man, not faster.
Alright, guys.
Boy, Brandon, you better do your closer. She's gonna die.
What? Alright, guys. We made it out here. Beautiful day. I lost 4-wheel drive. Don't know what happened. Camera's gonna die. Don't have a spare battery. If you guys like this video, like always, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. It means a lot to me, guys. Thanks for watching.